Hello everyone. So very quickly in this video I'll be sharing with you this very extreme fat burning recipe that will tackle your belly fat and have it all down. So if you're interested to have a much more flatter tummy, stick around and learn how to come up with this very extreme fat burning juice to crush everything down. So in order to come up with this recipe, the first ingredient you need will be cucumbers. So you'll be using 2 cucumbers. What you want to do is to wash them thoroughly, and if you have a juicer you can actually just use it to do this so quick, but I do it manually because I realize when I use the juicer, so many people tell me what if they don't have a juicer, so I just want to do it manually so you can follow and do it yourself at home, because I actually want this juice to really be concentrated. We want something really extreme. Cucumbers are very good because your organs need them to be cleansed so they can work properly and help you easily burn fat so fast. Plus they are very detoxifying, very cleansing. So if you are using a juicer, you see the amount of juice you get from 2 cucumbers. This is very concentrated. I'm not adding water in this juice. So this is where it gets tricky. You don't want to add water in the cucumber. You want to consume this like cucumber juice. Very healing as well, and fat burning, detoxifying, cleansing, so, and very alkalizing to form a disease fighting barrier in your system as well. So once you get the juice of your two cucumbers, you set them aside. The next ingredient you want to use will be lime and lemon. So this is very intense. Yeah, so lime and lemons are very good at flushing bad acids, making your belly constantly so big, slowing down your system. You can't burn fat. So this helps to cleanse you. Like, it is really concentrated for you to get the best results out of the burning your fat. So you want to get 1 lime. Peel your lime. What we need is the whole fruit out of it, and I'll tell you exactly how to get the juice out of this. So once you peel your lime, you want to peel the lemon. Like, these two fruits boost metabolism. They help you heat up your system to burn fat. They are very thermic in nature and very, very cleansing. So if you are suffering from a lot of bad fats in your system, bad cholesterol, you want to fall in love with limes and lemons, most especially. They will flush all the excess cholesterol for you. Like, lemons and limes are very good. So this is 1 lemon and 1 lime sliced and set aside. And the next ingredient I'll be adding here will be ginger. Yes, ginger is very thermic as well, to heat up and break those hidden fat cells. If you notice, I eat a lot of ginger. If you've been watching me, like, there are some people, when I start showing ingredients, they know ginger must be among those ingredients, because this is very good for fat burning. Like, this is what breaks down hardened food stored up, hardened fats in your system, like hardened toxins. This breaks any unwanted stuffs and cleanses you real good. Plus it has anti-inflammatory properties to relieve you of bloating, constipation, and you feel your belly. Once that constipated bloating goes away, you just discover your belly automatically getting down so flat, because bloating and constipation makes you always have a big belly. So this is a thumb size of ginger that you want to peel and set aside. Yeah, so if you there is no, like, if you want it bare, that you can have it just so bare without honey, but just to bring in a little bit of flavor if you want to. Because if you don't have real honey, don't go for honey. So this is real honey I'm using, because it is very difficult to lay your hands on real honey, and this is real honey. So if you don't have real honey, just to be on the safe side, you drink it without the honey. So you don't rather put in more sugars in your system. So these are the ingredients, and I'll show you the next step to do. So what you want to do is to put your ginger in your blender. We have to blend to get the juice out of the ginger and the fruits. So you just put in your honey just to get everything mixed up together. When this honey is too thick, so if I put it later, it would not really work well. So I add in 1 cup of water. You want to add in 1 cup of water in the mixture and blend till you get a very smooth consistency, so you can get all the juice out of the ingredient. So you want to blend so well, and this does the job so well for me. Blends everything so smooth, so you can have your ginger really, like, you can get all the juice out of your ginger, because you can't get the ginger without adding a little bit of water in there to like juice it out. So this is when you get your strainer and kind of sieve out the juice, so you don't get the particles of the ginger in here, because this is a juice. So this is it. You can see very concentrated and rich. So this is what you want to get. Make sure you get all the juice out of this, and once you get the juice out of this, I'll tell you the next step to do. But you can actually use the fiber out of this and add in your smoothie. Don't throw that fiber. You can add it in your smoothie, your breakfast smoothie, for fat burning. So this is when you add the juice. You see how rich and concentrated this has been now. This is when you add in the cucumber. So you really get it to cleanse your organs for you, to facilitate the breakdown of fats in the system. And while having this juice, you can have it early morning on an empty stomach, at bedtime, and make sure you drink lots and lots of water as well. This cleansing goes along with water, because if you don't drink water, water is what will help you with the initial breakdown of foods in your system. If you don't drink water, you will always be constipated and bloated. So you want to drink water to help you with digestion, so nothing stores up, no food or oil stores up because of lack of digestion. So you want to drink enough water, like not just today consuming the juice, like always. Water is very good for cleansing and fat burning and digestion, which leads to the prevention of food stored up. That way you hardly even experience belly fat and weight gain. So most people have belly fat because they consume a lot of sodas with all the gas in them. So you want to drink your water and avoid drinking a lot of sodas, because that is what causes indigestion, leading to bloating and constipation. So drink your water, and trust me, you will love the results on you. Voila, as you can see, this is my belly, always down, confidently out, because I don't joke with my fat burning recipes. And this recipe is really very good, extreme fat burner. So you want to consume this early morning on an empty stomach, last thing at bedtime, and have it help you burn the fats for you, so you can always have your belly down. No matter how much weight I gain, my belly is always down, because there is no room for fat stored up or food stored up in my system. I always boost my metabolism. I try as much as I can to burn fats, always, to prevent belly fat, unless it is pregnancy that prevents me from consuming these. Any other time, you want to always go for these metabolism boosting recipes if you are battling with belly fat, to burn and maintain that flat tummy all the time. And this recipe is just wonderful, very, very cleansing, very detoxifying, very fat burning, and will leave your system so clean and active from the inside. Yeah. So you want to share this video with your family and friends, so we can all maintain a healthy body size, free of obesity, which leads to so many health complications, and stay beautiful and in shape. Thank you for your time. Thank you for watching, and see you again in my next video. Bye.